Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to use Discord from zero. So first of all, you must go into your Discord app and you can register if you want to create a new account, or you can log in. I'm gonna make the process into register. So you have two options, perhaps if you want via phone or email. So you must write your email and click on next, and obviously you must set your password and confirm that email if possible. I'm not going to make the entire process because I already have an account, so I'm going to write my account and my password. So after that, I'm in my homepage. There are different options. The first of all are the direct messages. This is this icon on top of the left part, and there are my friends who I can talk to. Obviously, I can find or start a new conversation. So if I may click on it, I could write the name of a user, or they used to begin with this and perhaps number. So in that way, you can find friend too. Or click on this chat with the plus symbol, and there you can search for friends too. As you can see, for instance, Potsy has a number 6431. So as I said, they work with numbers. So the second options here are your friends. Obviously, you can call them or create new groups. There are different options. And the fourth option are the notifications. So there you're going to receive all the messages that have been sent to you in different groups and so on, or perhaps mention when they specifically write your username or try to get a meeting with everyone, like in this case. And the last option below our screen are the profile settings. So first of all, there is your picture. You can change it if you want, if you click on it, and also your username. Then the status. So you can select, I don't know, this status, or even set a custom status. So you can write whatever do you want here, and perhaps clear tomorrow or another time, or even don't clear. And obviously don't forget to click on save button on top of your screen. There are also your account information, like your username, email. If you want to add a phone, maybe you can receive some SMS through your number, or even to get a verification code to your number and even change the password. Or if you want to reinforce the security of your account, the two-factor authentication is on hand. Obviously, block some users or delete your account. Okay, there are several options. And the last one that I want to show you is the Nitro option. This is like buy the Discord Pro. So you can unlock different options if you want, like a better speed if you want to upload something, custom emoji anywhere, HD video streaming, access to more activities, and so on. Those are the Nitro advantages. Obviously, here in the main page, you are gonna have the different servers that you're in, and at the bottom you're gonna find the plus symbol. If you click on it, you can create your own server. So there you can invite your friends, your family, and even start your server from a template. It depends if you want it to be like a gaming club or school club, study group. There are different templates. Or obviously at the bottom of my screen, join the server. But for that, you're gonna need a link, so you're gonna be able to get into that server. If not, please ask a friend so he or she can send you a new link, and then you can begin to talk and so on. So these are the basics on Discord. I hope that you have found it really helpful, and good luck using this app.